Moving over to the receiving side of the Binatone Route 66 Mark II version, and that is the 01/8538A. This is the one that uses the Sanyo LC7137 and not the early version which uses the PLL02A chip in the phase lock loop. Okay, so we'll just set our test instruments for receive. Okay, that's 1 microvolt on the test set. So we'll just run through this with you. 0.3 of a microvolt. Just drop the squelch. We've got transformer 1. Transformer 2. Transformer 3. Transformer 4. Now I've got a sneaking suspicion that's going to be the detector, so we'll just do that with a 100 microvolt signal. It is. Very fine to adjust. Just drop myself back down. Transformer 5. And that is the lineup on that. This radio is receiving, that's 0.3 of a microvolt, 0.2, 0.1. That's off my scale. Just see if there's a fraction we can get more. It's working very well. Just run through those again. Transformer 1. Two. 3. 1. As I've said before, these can be interactive. No, that's as good as we're going to get, and that's working very well indeed. Certainly better than lots of new sets do. So we'll just make sure that S9 is shown on the meter as S9. So I put 100 microvolts on the signal generator. It's just slightly fast of that, and it's VR3. There we go. I'll set that up spot on. And now we'll move over to the squelch. And that's working correctly. It's 0.3 to 1 microvolt to open it. Then we'll set the squelch on the radio to full. Wouldn't mind a little bit more. That's S7. And the squelch control is this one here. Okay, we've set that up now. You've got two squelch adjustments, minimum and maximum. So variable resistor 12, I think it is. No, it's variable resistor 2. It says it's minimum, and variable resistor, whatever it is maximum. I'll just see if we can zoom in and actually see if it's labelled on that one. Can't see anything. Oh, it could be 1. Yeah, VR1. Yeah, it says so there. So, it's a matter of manipulating between the two. And I've done that, and it's opening at 0.5 of a microvolt. And on full squelch, it's opening at just over 100 microvolts, which is just over S9. So that's absolutely ideal. So it's a very sensitive set. It's working very well. So there you have it, the Binatone Route 66 late version with the LC7137. And just to recap, the detector was that one there, and the main receiver ones were those 3 there, and then you've got one of the IF ones is there. So that's it. We'll put it on the air later on this evening.